Hey, how you doing? It's Tom in Tom's Radio Room Show. First, I want to make a correction. Somebody corrected me in the comment, rightfully so, and I'm glad they did, is the previous video I did on this radio, I called it the Retekess radio, and it's the Retekess radio. And there is a confusion fact there. I think they're both the same company. And why I'm confused is the lady that I've been communicating with who sends me these radios by Retekess, in her email signature, it says Retekess Marketing. So she works for Retekess. So I think they're the same company. Retekess sells two-way communication radios, handheld radios, things like that. And other things. Retekess sells AM, FM, shortwave, CD players, cassette players, and internet radios. So that's the basic difference. I think they're the same company. I sent her an email asking her to clarify that for me. So that was my mistake, and now I tried to explain why I made the mistake. Now, this internet radio has a database of 70,000 stations. And I also sent her a question. I says, is there a file of the 70,000 locations that I could get on my computer and search for stations that are interesting to me instead of searching them here? Now, there is a way of searching it. For instance, you can search by country location. You can search local stations. And you can search for popular stations, and you can go through the history of stations that you've listened to. Plus, and down here it says number of pages that are available on the screen. Entries. So it says there's 8 entries, and that's just showing the first 4. So I need to go to the bottom, and then there's a search. You can just type in. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that yet. I'm not sure. I guess you have to get a little keyboard like you do on a tablet, and you have to type in the station's name. You can search by language. You can search, say, just for the ones that are broadcasting in English. You can search by genre. And you can have favorites. You can have up to 30 favorites stored away. Now, let's try country location. So I want to hit enter. Here are the keys. I didn't mention the keys before. Menu and power on. Forwards and backwards. Mute radio. Select one of your presets, or start, play, and pause when you're using the MP3 player. It's also an MP3 player. All right, so we're going to hit enter to select country and location. Now, I've only done this like once, so I probably make a mistake. So what it has to do, it has to go out to the internet and make an inquiry of the database. So the database is not stored in the radio, apparently. So there's the stations. I'm going to pick North America because I know more. That would definitely be in English. So let's go North America. Trying to make it a simple selection here. We want the United States. Okay, now it had to go grab another chunk of data. So it says connecting. Got to do this a couple of times because I'm looking for the U.S. Yep, it's connecting again. See, so it's got 42 pages. There's the United States. So I'll hit enter. It'll grab some more data. Now it's grabbing states. I'm going to try Alaska, just for the heck of it. Let's try Alaska. Enter. grabbing more data, and let's pick Genoa. Now it's going to grab another chunk. And now you can select by language, genre, or just go through the stations. I'm just going to go through the stations. It says it has 13 pages of stations. Now, the other day when I first tried this and I selected China, China had 5,000 pages. Oh my gosh, or 5,000 entries. Okay, I want Genoa. There, Genoa, police and fire. All right, we'll select that. It's connecting. And why didn't it play? I said connect. I thought I said connect. Maybe I need to be at that button. Buffering. Okay, so it's connecting now. So I hit the forward arrow to select that station, and there it is, selected.
About your dreams. With Wells Fargo Premier, a team can help you plan for them.
Oh, a commercial.
So let's imagine your biggest dream. Not the easy one, the one behind it, the one you work towards.
Okay.
Every day and every night. Can you see it?
There we go.
Can you plan for it?
Nope.
Ready to start planning for your dreams? You can at Wells Fargo.
Oh, no, it says police and fire. I guess that's a commercial. A lot of the stations, internet stations, do that. Okay, now I've got to wait for some traffic. I'm going to set this down while I get a drink. I'm losing my voice. And naturally, I picked one with no, well, Alaska police and fire, probably not too active. Now, this is basically how I found the one yesterday, the Los Angeles Fire and Police. And I listened to them most of the day yesterday, and they were like bang, bang, bang. They were busy all the time, of course, because of all this.
220 arriving.
There we go.
231 copy from the harbors.
Now, the reason I selected that one
Copy.
is I know somebody that lives there. So luckily, they're not too busy. So that's how you would select a station out of the 70,000. That's one way. As I showed you in the beginning, there's several ways you can find a station. You can find, like I say, you could select the popular ones, the ones that are most listened to. Like probably right now, the ones with that Los Angeles Fire and EMS, probably pretty popular right now. I know it sure is on TV and YouTube.
Oh, medic 1. Medic 1's back in service.
So what I could do is I could surprise my friend that lives there, send him an email. Here's something specific, some incident specific like a robbery or something, and then send him an email and say, hey, I heard that there was a robbery down at Jones' store. And he go, what? How did you know that? Anyway, so much for that. This is pretty cool. And like I say, it does have the capability of speaking properly, playing memory file, MP3 files, for instance, off a TF card or a full-size USB card. Now, another question I ask them is, since the model for the United States doesn't have FM, only the model for Europe and other countries that have DAP FM has that capability. So this antenna is not used for FM. There's no FM. And I asked them if it was used for the Wi-Fi. I'm guessing it is. I could be wrong. I'm guessing it is. my Wi-Fi connection, one of my Wi-Fi connections, I got two sources of internet Wi-Fi, and one of them is the router is about 2 feet from this radio. So I got a strong connection. I don't need to use this telescopic antenna if that's what it's for. I don't need it. Now I can try to use my one that's downstairs, that the signal up here is pretty weak. But yeah, I probably won't. So that's it. I think this is pretty cool. Like I say, years ago, I had two different internet radios. One was a Grace radio. Can't remember what the other one is. I've got it sitting there someplace gathering dust because when the company that supplied the database backed out, and so it went brain dead, and it didn't have FM. It was just like this one. It was internet only. And it did have, and I remember now, no I don't. It does have the capability of using it as a speaker amplifier. And I had used it for a long time to connect my laptop to it to get better audio. Now, the audio on this is very good. But you, of course, can't tell because I'm not playing music. Otherwise, I think it's pretty cool. I love the display. Very easy to read, even though it's small print. Very easy for me to read. Two power sources, either AC, which I'm using right now, or battery. I don't remember what it needed for batteries. Does it say here? No, it doesn't say. Let me see if I can get this open. There we go. Looks like 4 AA's. Yep, 4 AA's. You want to use it. Portable, has a carrying handle, so you can take it with you. I think it's a pretty cool board. Pretty cool radio. I got to take those speech lessons. I'm getting worse and worse in my old age. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm providing shows of interest, not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.